Okay, the next DIY, I thought we could use some of these little metal star ornaments from the 4th of July section at Dollar Tree, and we could make a really cute, like, pennant banner with these. I don't know if it would be a pennant banner. Um, yeah, I guess so. Maybe a garland. And I picked up red, white, and blue. I thought they're really pretty. What do you guys think? They already have like red, white, and blue wood beads on them. So I thought I could use that too. And then I thought to make them look even a little bit more substantial, I could add some of the galvanized metal stars from the Crafter's Square at Dollar Tree to the back of those, just to make them even more special. But I think they would look pretty without it too. Just traded aside my pattern. I like to use like odd numbers when I do like a pennant banner like this. And so I decided red, blue, white, blue, red was the pattern I wanted to go with. And then I'm going to need 5 of these little galvanized metal stars. Now, I was trying to figure out how to attach that. I don't have any E6000 right now, and metal and hot glue doesn't always play nice, but we're going to try to make this work. So I'm going to start it with hot glue just by doing a bead of hot glue on the top ray. Only the top, because that's going to dry quickly, and I want it to be as strong as I can get it to keep it on there. And as you can see, it's just the right size to kind of peek out from behind these. Just make them a little bit bigger. So I'm going to do that on all of them. I do know there's no way that's going to hold them, because sometimes when I hot glue metal from the Dollar Tree, it holds like initially, but like immediately falls apart. If you don't use some other type of glue or something with those. But I think that's going to be a good start for these. So I'll show you how I reinforce that in just a little bit, but let me go ahead and hot glue all 5 of these on. This would be cute hanging anywhere. You could hang this under a window, like on a fireplace, mantle, coffee bar, anywhere you can think, party table. It's really cute though, and it looks very high end. So I am just going to take some Dollar Tree twine to make the banner, and then just use that existing rope that was on the little metal star just to simply tie that over. That way I don't have to measure or anything the distance in between the two, because now I can slide them back and forth super easy. So I just do that on all of them. Just one simple knot over, tie it tight, and then I just cut off the excess twine to clean it up a little bit. So I was thinking this is going to fall apart. So this was my remedy. And I use a little hot glue on the back of the metal star to get it started. And I use some more of that twine and some more hot glue kind of on both sides. And then I'm going to take that twine and wrap it around, like kind of gluing and tying the 2 pieces together till I get to the end, and then kind of pull that through the little metal round hanger that was on the top of the star on front, and tie that off to kind of tie it to each other as well. And I think that's going to make it hold up. It provided a lot more stability to them, because I could just tell they were just waiting to fall apart. So I'm going to do the same thing on the rest of these stars. And if you didn't need this many, you could always do 3. You can make a shorter one, just a red, white, and blue. That would be really cute too. You're probably going to want to stick to odd numbers. It always looks better when you hang it that way. You could always go longer as well if you had like a fireplace mantle. But I think they turned out really cute. I was looking for some way to use these little metal stars. I think these are new. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree before in the 4th of July aisle. And it was one of the few items that I was excited to see, because they just did not come out with like any of like that plain wood decor or anything like that for us crafters for the 4th of July. Just very, very minimal. Very disappointed in their selection, because I always love to decorate for the 4th of July. I don't know about you. This would be really cute decor for any patriotic holiday, though. You could also use it for Memorial Day and I guess like even like Labor Day or any kind of holiday, Flag Day, Veterans Day. We have so many holidays where we can decorate patriotic decor. And I'm just going to finish off the last one. Just hot glue the back, wrap it around, and then tie it off with that little metal loop there on the top. And I think that's going to work. Let me show you how these look hanging up. I just kind of hung these on my coat tree that I use to display most of my items, but I'm trying to decide where I'm going to put this. Might end up on my coffee bar. But it turned out pretty cute. What do you guys think?